The Prime Minister, if you are serious, write to the WRD Minister to withdraw the DPR. So that means this shows personal visits thinga gele. Yesterday you saw delegation went replies आमकां सांगले tourism minister आणि दुसरे सगळे transport minister, chief minister went to meet civil aviation minister. But civil aviation minister very clearly said that Dabolim आजी जी फ्लाइट येत आहे जी फ्लाइट मोपा वयतली you all cannot decide. At the start, International Civil Aviation Organization, that is the premier organization with aviation, they said dual airports are not possible. So this here हांगा फक्त पोटॅशियम मारप daily एक पोटॅशियम पोटॅश तेंगे तोंडारू आहाय and they are getting exposed, and it is a very sorry state of affairs unless we declare a tiger thing in the Madhe wildlife area. Basically Madhe is not going to be sold आणि उत्तर गोंयामध्ये दक्षिण गोंयामध्ये जोगडी पेटतली and this government is not serious. दुसरें जे फ्रीडम फायटराचोय आमी प्रश्न केलो की जे पेंडिंग भुरगे आहाय तांकां ताबडतोब ही फ्रीडम फायटर स्कीम जी what was that is their right because their fathers have given their lives for our liberation. ताबडतोब घेवपाक जाय म्हणून एंड मुखेलमंत्री म्हणून लावलो आपुणूय गेले पयलीं कोणें दिवं ना. सो दिस इज ऑल आय बिलीव थिंगा दिगंबर कामत आहलो, रवी नायक आहलो, तांकां म्हाका दिसता पक्षाचें डिसिप्लीन लागता उठनाय ते म्हाका खबर ना. काँग्रेस पक्षा टायमार आमच्या वेळार ते टायम ते वी हॅव अ डेमोक्रेटीक पार्टी. आय डोंट नो वाय दे हॅव चेंज सो मच. गोईंग देर दे आर सायलंट. यू कॅनॉट ओपन युअर वॉइसीस. I fail to understand. त्याच्यानंतर नावेलीम या एक स्कुलान इट्स अ सॉरी स्टेट ऑफ अफेर्स. द चिल्ड्रन युरिनेट outside the school and even in the school there is no toilet. एक टायमार हांवें चोयलें मुखेलमंत्री कोणा सांगतालो आत वयर काडा कोणा टॉयलेट ना. कितल्या कडेन टॉयलेट ना, इतले कडेन ओपन डेफिकेशन जाता. सो म्हाका दिसता secondly Sureja's main issue I took about how thousands of crores has been swindled, thousands of crores of public money due to non-planning. The Suraj department is one of the most corrupt departments. They don't have staff. Diversions at the Porvorim that was supposed to finish in 17 got diverted towards Mapsa. Till now it is pending. Issues in Navelim are still pending. Issues, Venzi spoke about issues in Kolwa. Mukhyamantri Munta, he'll take steps. First of all, this department doesn't have the strength, and the Suraj, the way public are suffering, it could be a health hazard. In Margaon you saw. So several issues like this we have taken. Amka Khatriya is the second day. Definitely, if you look, ruling aje आमदार खातो दे. Michael Lobo म्हणून लावला तिंगा दोंगरा सुरेज सोटाय आणि ह्या नोय राहा. ये सगळे चोरी तो चोयल्यार. टुडे you see the situation in the state is going from bad to worse. Definitely we will all make sure we also went in the well against Madai. So definitely there's a lot of things that you all will see in the interest of the state.
Ruling partyचे MLA म्हणता की फायनान्शियल डिपार्टमेंट इज इनसफिशियंट. एक्स मिनिस्टर
Govind Gowde expressed his views regarding corruption in the tribal department, and he was shunted. I don't know after today what they are going to do to him, but everyone should express their views. It's a finance जे हांव हाल उलयता न्हू, it is a crisis. गोंयचें रीण पळय हा हें वाडवता. हें दुयेंस म्हणजे दोतोर जेन्ना आमचो मुखेलमंत्री हा हें दुयेंस रोग कितें करता, एंटीबायोटिक्स दिता, सुई बी मारूं जाय. हें दुयेंस तो रोग बंद करना. हें रोग रीण काडपाचें वाडत आसा आनी हें रीण बंद तरी जायना. एक प्रत्येक आमी गोंयकार, आमचे गोंयकाराचे प्रत्येक एक गोंयकाराचे जवळ 3 लाख रुपया रीण आसा. वेर इज द रेवेन्यू? वेर आर द लिकेजीस? व्हडले प्रॉमिसीस. मायनींग स्टार्ट जातलें, ऑक्शन स्टार्ट जातलें, सेंटरांतल्यान उमके हें जातलें तें जातलें. वॉट हॅज हॅपन्ड? वी आर इन अ एब्सोल्युटली फायनान्शियल क्रायसीस, and it is good that Govind Gowde comes from a background that he's been always vocal, and I hope that he continues this, because finally we are fighting in the interest of the state. whatever party we come from, it is a welcome step.
तुम्ही म्हादयचेर म्हणला एवरी विकाक तुमकां अपडेट जाय म्हणून डिमांड
ना 100%. आज जेन्ना हिंगा इंजिनियर आहलो पयलो सुवातेर चीफ इंजिनियर कर्नाटकाचो नाव गोवन इज दे एंड सालेलकर, वी एक्सपेक्ट हिम टू अपडेट अस. कॅन दे अपडेट अस? वाय आर दे नॉट अपडेटिंग अस? वॉट स्टॉप्स देम? Diversion after what is diverted, then you are going to take action. Any cast koron, if you see the government's mindset is whenever Rajendra Bab or whenever a particular meeting, that is when the government awakes. Today the minister admitted that he was not aware of the recent thing that was exposed by Prudent. He was not aware about it. So if you see, this shows the seriousness. They know that mother is gone. आणि फक्त उरलां तें उत्तर गोंयचे मध्ये आनी दक्षिण गोंयचे मध्ये मुखार उदका लागून झूज पेट्टलें हेंच उरलां गोंयकारांक चोवपाचें.